Let's take a quick look at two different ways to crop individual layers in Photoshop. The first method will be making use of layer masks. Start by picking a selection tool from the toolbar, then select the area of your layer you'd like to keep. When you finish with your selection, simply click on the target layer in the Layers panel, then click on the layer mask icon along the bottom. And voila, you're done. Now let's look at another way of cropping individual layers using Smart Objects. First, select the layer you want to crop and right-click it, then select Convert to Smart Object. Next, double-click on the Smart Object in the Layers panel. This'll create a new Smart Object tab with your layer's image. Working in the newly created Smart Object tab, select the cropping tool from the toolbar. Using your mouse, drag the resultant cropping handles along the edge of the image and crop it to your liking. Once you're finished cropping, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. Your image is now cropped. The last thing you need to do is close the Smart Object tab, select Yes when prompted, and your cropped image will appear in your original Photoshop document. Thanks for watching.